All right, guys, so this is that cool microphone system that I was talking about the other day. So how does it work? I was hoping that all you had to do was just talk through this thing here, and then it would relay the message from this to this, and that there was an included speaker of some sort on this. But it turns out, and I'll show you, that that is not the case. So if I do this, and it connects up to whatever channel it is, you can change the channel and all that cool stuff. If you talk to this bit here, nothing happens. What you need to do is plug this into another machine and hope that that machine works. So we'll try that out real quick, and let's see how it does. We'll unplug the guitar that's not around, and we'll do this.
Likey